this video we are going to consider how to, for example, create attic or some sort of a space for having a light for our house or our space. So first we need to increase the slope here, for example to 30 or 35 even, so 30 is fine. And after that I will go to the site, and we know already we draft our roof in level 3, so I'm going here and to the wall to create my space, which I told you already, but I will turn on the wireframe because I want to create it inside of my walls, not here. So I'm going to create this sort of room which supposed to consider as a attic or as a lighting space. I'm going to choose the, for example, unconnected. After that I will go and create roof for this element. So if you want to see this wall right now, I'm just going to the wireframe, choose it, and top connected, unconnected, base level 3. So we are going to have it like this, but it's not useful for sure. We need to change it, and I think I need to have like some sort of 35 maybe. And after that I need to consider it in a higher level, so I'm just gonna choose all of them and I will go to the site. First I will bring it much more out and consider level 4 maybe. I will check it in elevation. It looks fine now. So now we can work with this. It's not going to reach our floor, our roof, and also we can use it as a space as we wish. The next step is to go and move that wall a little, or it's fine, we don't need to move it. So I'm just going to the side and delete this one because we don't need this one, we just need this 3 wall. And if you want to create room, we need that wall. But if you want to create a, for example, lighting space for your main space, you don't need that wall. We are going to consider both right now, but right now I'm going to create a roof as well for this element, roof by footing, and after that I will consider level 5, create this roof, no slope, don't attach because we want to see what's going on. So I will just go to the 3D and I will see my roof is here. I need to bring it up, like here is good because it need to be under the main roof, maybe a little bit down here. So if you see, your roof is inside of the other roof, so it's not right. Also you might create your roof and it will be shorter, also that one is not right as well. And your wall is also is inside of your roof. So we have two main problem right now, which we are going to fix it one by one, and we are going to start from the basic problem. But let me change the roof. Okay, the first problem is our wall. We are just going to click on tab, choose all of this free wall, and we use attach top base. Okay, here we need to use both element base for choosing our roof, so it's going to just consider the roof, and we are going to use attach top for our roof. And I'm going to show you guys here front and wireframe. You will see your wall is alright right now without any problem. But now we have the problem for our roof, which is inside our main roof. We need to go here and we are going to have one option in modify tab, and it's here, join or unjoin roof if you will see, it's going to join your roof like that. For example, now we created and we are inside of our main roof. Sometimes you might create your roof and it's not even reach your roof, it's shorter. So it's going to work for both situation by just going here and use the wireframe, because we need to see this edge and now our roof is inside our roof. So I'm just going to modify, choose this option, and I need to consider my roof right now, and here we go. It's a very easy process. You just need to click on one of the edge, and after that click on your main roof. It's going to consider your roof and fix it. If I go to the front wireframe, you will see it already fixed. So it was a very important element and we needed to consider that. Now I'm just going to create one window for this space using my shortcut, and consider one of this window here, or maybe bigger. But first I would like to change the position of that. After that I will go create window, for example this window, and I can make it bigger, for example for 2.5, and 3 meter. It's fine. Bring it down. So we are going to have our window here. The next step, maybe you might ask, so what's the point? Inside is full. If I just go here, click this element, and after that I will go to override graphic by element, turn on the transparency. So if you want to access your transparency, sometimes you might need it. It's going to be useful for your drafting operation, or you might need it for your graphic output for your presenting. You need to click your object, right click on by your mouse, override graphic in view by elements. You are going to access to some sort of options here, such as, for example, even you can change the color as well. But now I'm just going to use the transparency, and to show you guys here, the inside is our roof. If I pick it, you will see it here. So I need to open that space as well. We cannot use biface, we cannot use shaft and wall and vertical. The option which we need to use is dormer. By just clicking on dormer, the next step is to turn on the wireframe mode, and when it's active you need to go consider and choose your wall. And also we can see the video. As you will see, it says like you're going to choose your edge, and we are going to consider it. So first we need to go pick our roof. Okay, after that, when you pick your workplace, pick your roof which you want to open it, then you need to go pick roof or wall edge. So we are going to choose the wall edge which we are supposed to open it from data space, and here and here. Okay, inside of the wall and inside of our roof. After that we are going to use trim to fix our line and click OK. So now we open that space as well. If we go to the shaded, you will see that space is open. If I go to my, for example, level 1, and or maybe site, for example, put one component there, for example, place a component, this desk. We don't have a better option, so we can just use this desk. If I go to the site, you are going to see your desk there. And if I even turn on my wireframe mode, here I need to choose them and click right, override, so the transparency will be off. You can check these windows from your desk from your window, because you open that space and everything looks fine and perfect. So for example, we go here and we can copy paste this, all of our creation. All of the element is going to be copies, such as your opening space element, and also your wall, your window, your roof, everything. Even we can create a mirror here. I'm just going to choose them. So let's check it out. We created this space and we are going to have, for example, this design in our place. If you want to consider, for example, having a roof, you need to consider level for this area in your elevation. For example, level 4, and draft a floor for that place by going to the right area and start, for example, drafting a floor. Maybe we can consider one floor for all of the opening space. Let's see how does it work. So I'm going to draft one floor from here to here, level 4. After that I will go and check it out. So if you will see, we created one bedroom or one room above our main space, and we are going to have this for example, opening space as a window for them. And you need to consider, for example, it shouldn't come out, so you can just easily fix it from here by using a right drawing. For example, if you want to draw it professionally, you can just use this line here to here. Consider your interior space, and after that you're going to have one extra, for example, bedroom there. Here we go. So now we are going to have our floor as well, and everything looks fine and great. This one should be here. So here we can create, for example, attic for our project, and also we can, for example, go and consider wall here as well by using a wall. For example, the thick one, exterior site, level A4, unconnected. You can consider wall here. For example, we just need it there because, let's see, where did we continue our floor? Just going here, we can pick it. So if you want, you're just going to delete this. You can create a wall here as well. After that, we are going here and we can connect our wall by just turn on the wireframe. We can pick our wall, these two walls, attach to our roof. So here we can create attic or any sort of room we can use it upstairs. Very well. You can, for example, place your component here or desk to see how does it look like. Level A4, yes. So our desk should be here. You will see our desk is here and everything looks fine. We created one opening a space for bedroom, attic, and lighting room. So we check our dormer and also we check our modify here, roof join and unjoin, and we created this space very well. So in the next video we are going to continue our class.